Selamat siang.
Ya, apa namanya?
Hello, join us.
Halo.
You can maybe keep your seats.
I think just
Ayo lebih dekat lagi.
Okay. Morning. Good morning. Please
Good
raise
morning.
your hand if you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good.
The environment is a little bit loud, so I don't use my voice on day one. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Thank you for joining us. My name is Yoav Lotan. I'm working very closely with my friend in Singapore with the EV team in Asia. So my team and some of them in Europe and Indian portfolio. We are very happy to meet you today. We have a little bit of time together. We're going to go a little bit around the booth, show you what we have here talking about China. Label Expo is coming back to China. This is a big event. I think that you feel all the excitement that we have here in Shanghai. In the last few years, the journey that we see in label packaging here in China have been many of our customers have been moving in China, especially for all the way back to the 6,000 now we show the 6K plus here with the investment. We also have the 400K here. In China, we have more than 250 machines, only 6,000 dedicated for the label industry, and we have more than 55 machines acquired over 200K investment. Starting from here where we are just behind you, the shelves, we partner with our customers here in China. You can see some flexible packaging examples that are produced by our customers over here. You will see labels, you will see security applications, you will see boxes for alcohol and tobacco, you will see labels of course behind you, promotional and already vertical. You can see what actually our customers are doing in China today. With that, let's go inside. Let's start to walk from here inside. What we have in terms of solution.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay.
Great year for the labels and packaging business. Today, if I see overall the performance, 2025 was a great year for the Indigo portfolio in Asia. China is pretty much, I would say, to give some numbers, more than 50% of the business today. A lot of it is coming from labels and packaging. We build a strong legacy and a very good market acceptance for the 6,000 machine that you will see over here, the 6K plus, and the 200K label, flexible packaging, recently also more than 14 cartons. There's a lot of experience in the market today, a lot of the acceptance of the quality of the workflow overall, and you will see that we are investing a lot in software and workflow. If you ask today, hear me? So you will see that a lot of the focus that we see on the solution is actually also dedicated to beyond the printing press and the machine. It's about the technology of the workflow, how machines are getting to the press, how to use data, what kind of insights you have for the product. Site flow and PrintOS, that is our proprietary system to manage all the information about the print, the uptime, the quality output that you are getting out of the machine. These are all the see also a mock-up of our V12. The HP Indigo V12 is our most productive label press machine ever ever, spinning in 120 meters a minute. It's coming to China. In January it will be installed in the Guangzhou demo center of our Chinese partner, and we will look at 2026 to really open the market in China for this solution. High productivity, streamline of operation, digital platform, this is the HP Indigo V12. Let's continue with the HP Indigo 6. So as I mentioned, the HP Indigo 6000 has a very strong legacy as well as in Asia. We have more than 600 presses Asia specifically. This platform. The 6K Plus is the recent version that we are here. For the first time in Asia, we have installed a 6K Plus here for the customers. But this is the first time that we show it up for LabelExpoAsia in September. That's the first time. So the 6K Plus is based on the technology of the last generation of the 6000, 66, 68, 69, and the 6K after that. All the customer feedback, all the investors, what the market needs, it's going to electronics in order to create a machine that is more precise, more accurate, more consistent, with a higher uptime platform. So 30% of the hardware of this machine is actually new. We change all the motors, all the gears, all the electronics that you see that are driving the machine. The web handling system is a smart control system that making the product much more accurate. The customer that look at this machine, comparing to what they used to know, they just see a much more robust and better feature of the 6K Plus. Same 7-color station, same best quality, versatility of the application. They can do labels, shrink sleeve, flexible packaging, many different applications. This platform on the 6K Plus. So we're going to continue and focus on this while we're expanding in the digital landscape, also with the V12 that I just mentioned about. So this is our HP Indigo 6K Plus, 7-color station, 340mm with printing, anything from 12 micron printing up to 450 market leaders, so many of them that we have today also in Indonesia, especially in the label industry. We have it here for the first time in Asia. We're very proud of this machine, very happy with it. Extremely excited to know that this machine is now with us and will be focusing on delivering it to our market customers and increasing it to make more. Let's look behind you and into the 200K. Good. So if this is our very proven technology, the 6K Plus, the Series 3 generation, here we have our Series 5 engine generation, the 200K. The HP Indigo 200K is dedicated for flexible packaging, but also already in the label environment. So many of our label customers that have started with labels on the 6000 family have then moved to do flexible packaging on the 6000, 68, 69, 60K. Then they saw the opportunity to move to a wider machine on the flexible packaging. As you can see, the machine is running in 12 micron base material with 7-color printing, whitening, you can use the tools. You see the machine running at 4-color displays. Come and have a look on the printing. Printing flexible packaging material. This is 760 millimeter printing dedicated for flexible packaging. Also, on the label space, we can gang two boards at the same time, and we can slit it in the middle in order to make sure that then it can go to a very efficient converting down the line. So we have label customers that are printing labels on this machine, and then they have the choice also to do flexible packaging or flexible packaging in a full format, as you can see over here. We can accumulate the machine also with a slitter, so you can slit right in the middle and then take it to a converting unit. And there is a workflow that can support it. Again, in China, more than 55 machines installed, proven technology. Many of our customers in China have multiple machines, 3 machines, 4 machines, at the same site, in the flexible packaging in the digital environment in China. This is very good, very nice. Inline priming, the printing engine, 7-color printing engine, including whitening, of course, orange, violet, green, color matching. So from here, after you print, what do you do with it? We have the digital pouch factory, so we found it with our solution pouch. You can see here the lamination, one
and control production
very experienced in double
we transform our industry as forerunners in a new digital era.
As the label market evolves,
very efficient. You can take and create stand-up pouches. Today the most common application by our customers is basically a stand-up pouch, especially for the food industry, coffee, and so on. And we have different of course, pouching technologies, flat bottom pouch, stand-up pouch, pillow pouches, anything that your customers are requiring can be done here, and it will be
Randomization.
into the pouch making solution, the pouch making ready to roll. Many of the customers actually decided that they deliver a stand-up pouch as the final product. Some customers actually just ship roll to roll, so they ship in rolls, and the pouch making is happening by one of by the brands themselves, if they are working with co-packers, etc. So that's also common. But for the digital environment, what we see that our customers preferably the business model is that they sell the final product, they sell the pouch itself. The stand-up pouch, the flat bottom pouch, the pillow pouch. This is what they do. So flexible packaging, one of our growth engines in Asia. Our customer print volume in pouches have been growing 24% year over year. So you see many of our customers are printing more and more volume, adding more capacity. Also in labels, many of our customers in Asia are growing faster than the market. There's about 15 to 17% growth in labels. We believe with the introduction of the B12, it can create incremental jobs volume for us. So you see, today with digital and flexible packaging, customers can deliver turnaround time that is unheard of before. So if you're printing on Bravo, or if you're printing on Flexo, you get a new job, you need to order the cylinders, you need to order the plates, it's going to take you minimum 2 weeks, 1 month, until you're able to deliver. Today we have customers that in a normal environment talk about 10 days delivery. If you need to expedite your digital manufacturing, you can deliver it 24 hours, 48 hours, pouch. And only with the digital pouch factory like we see and the ecosystem around it, it's possible, very minimal waste. Very fast time to market. So people today are looking for this kind of solution, especially in an environment where we have more e-commerce and people are going to get their pouches, their labels in a different way compared to what they used to get it in the past. They don't want to go through the same sales channel. They're expecting much faster time to market. If you look behind you, okay, let me show you also what we have over here. So one of the growth engines of digital in order to get shelf space is also embellishment. And I think that what we see in China the impact that we also see in flexible packaging of embellishment. An embellishment that is done digitally. This is super unique. And I have here evidence to get a best Indonesia. Share with you.
Talked a little bit about the complement of HT Indigo printing with digital intelligence. So as you see here, all these notches, beautiful digital offset quality with HT Indigo. And I'll show you. Here we have a pouch printed on HP Indigo. This is before embellishment. And here is the same pouch after embellishment. Digital embellishment complements brings out the value of the package. So digital embellishment is digital spot coating. So something that was just flexo and revere now is digital. Digital screen. So flatbed screen now digital, and also digital foil.
Yeah, foil there.
And all these now also have food safe coating. So this is UV, but it's food compliant UV. Cold foil, you do foil, but a lot of this effect that you see here is all done just with the metallic and indigo printing white on the top.
Foil ka.
So these are all production from existing customers. So they run millions of concerts. So the thing about digital embellishments on pouches is in analog world it doesn't exist. In analog world you can't get this quality printing from this to this. It doesn't exist. So in digital, now digital gives a whole new capability of something that you only see in labels. So in labels you see maybe this type of embellishment but never in pouches. So now you can bring a much more expanded capability using digital. Okay? Thank you.